And the race is on. Gray Magic from the outside. Livingstone down on the inside. Sir Barbaro. And moving up. It's now entry number 4, Livingstone, Soul Provider, Janel's episode, Sir Barbaro, Gray Magic, Diamond Quest is racing in P. Bideral, alongside Micaela's Music, Regal Chips, Wab Tiger, Mr. Lindros down on the inside, Hot Gossip, entry number 2, Backyard Bully, Euromax, and Shades of Red is running in 14th. Soul Provider, Livingstone, Janel's episode racing from the outside. Sir Barbaro is racing for Diamond Quest racing in 5th. Swab Tiger racing in 6th. Down on the inside, Micaela's Music and Gray Magic as they race the final corner. Soul Provider, Livingstone once again. And down on the inside, Sir Barbaro, Janel's episode. Diamond Quest is racing from the outside. Livingstone down on the inside. Sir Barbaro. Diamond Quest from the outside. It's now Diamond Quest. And finally, Diamond Quest, Livingstone, Janel's episode, Sir Barbaro, and Micaela's Music.